The first thing we want to do is open up the panel, put a screwdriver in, and loosen up the top screw. And then you come down and loosen the bottom screw. And then open up the control. Before we do anything on the control, we want to shut the power off. You shut the power off by flipping the fuse disconnect here in a down position. We're going to remove the wire. What you're going to want to do is purchase a #1 Phillips screwdriver. And as you can see from the tip, it's a fairly small screwdriver. And then you're going to go and loosen the 4 screws. I like to loosen each a little bit at a time. And just go around and loosen each one a little bit. What we want to do is get the screw, and if you see over here, until the threads are almost flush to the front, like that. And we're going to do that on both the top and bottom brackets. And then put your hand to hold the display, remove the display out the front. Place the new display through the hole. Place the brackets into the slots and start tightening up the screws on the top one a little bit, not too tight. That'll just hold the display in place. And then we put the lower one on in position. And then what we do is go around and bring all of the screws just a little bit snug. And the same way that you would tighten the lug nuts on a tire, we go around to each of the screws and snug them up. What we want to do is just look on the front and make sure the display is straight before we completely tighten it. And we want to tighten up the display until it's just touching the front. Once the display is tightened, you want to put the connector back in to the connector on the side, and you push it until you hear a little click. And then come back to the fuse, turn the power back on, and wait for the display to start. Once everything is working, you can tighten the screws on the door. You're all set.